Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear 10th class. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss about the equations reducible to quadratic form. Exercise 1.3 from Punjab Textbook Board, Bahawalpur. Dear students, equations reducible to quadratic forms means we have some equations like this. You can observe that this is the equation, but this is not the quadratic form. This is equation, but this is not in the quadratic form, and this is also equation which is not in the quadratic form. So we will reduce or we will convert all these equations in quadratic form first, and then we will solve. Okay, my dear students, the statement of the question is solve the following. Solves means, you know that meanings of solve means we will find the value of variable x. Question number 2, according to your smart syllabus, question number 2, 2x4 is equals to 9x square minus 4. So first of all, we will write all the values to left hand side and put the 0 to right hand side, and then this is x4 and this is x square. We will put or substitute these smaller values x square to any other variable y except x, a, b, c, y as you wish. Okay, so here I have put y is equals to x square and y square is equals to x4, because when we will take the square on both sides, we will get y square is equals to x4. So after that, now we will put the values of x4 means y square, 2y square minus 9y plus 4 is equals to 0. Now you can see that this is the quadratic form of variable y. Okay, now 2 4s are 8. We will use midterm by factorization method. We will break this midterm, minus 8y minus y, which is equals to minus 9y, and minus plus 8y into y is equals to 8y square. Like this, 2 4s are 8y square. So by taking 2y as common from first two values, we will find 2y into y minus 4, and here there is no common value, so we will put minus 1 only here, and since we have taken minus as common, so we will change the sign of the values. It will become y minus 4. Y minus 4 and y minus 4 both are the common, so y minus 4 into, we will take y minus 4 as common and find 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now my dear students, since their product is equals to 0, it means that any one value is equals to 0. So we will put both values. Suppose that both values are equals to 0, y minus 4 is equals to 0, or 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. From this we will get the value of y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 1 by 2. But my dear students, you can see that the actual variable is x, but the answer is given in the y. So what we will do? We will re-put the value of y is equals to x square. Again, put value y is equal to x square. So here x square is equals to 4 and here x square is equals to 1 by 2. By taking square root, we will get a value of x which is equals to plus minus 2 and plus minus 1 by square root 2. So this is the solution set. Part number 7. X by x minus 3 plus 4 into x minus 3 by x is equals to 4. This is again is not the form of quadratic equation. There are two situations. There are two methods. You can put this to equals to any other variable. Suppose if we will write this is the y and this is the reciprocal of this value, so it will be 1 by y. You can use this method also. And there is another simple method that we will multiply all the denominators to each term, and then we will get x into x plus 4 into x minus 3 whole square, because x will be cancelled, and x minus 3 means x minus 3 whole square is equals to 4x into x minus 3. So we will x into x square, x into x is equals to x square 4. This is x square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 3 2s are 6x, 3 square of 3 is equals to 9. Here 4x square minus 4 3s are 12x. And after that we will write x square plus 4. We will remove the bracket and multiply 4 with all the values which are inside the bracket. This is 4x square minus 4 6 are 24, 4 9 are 36. Write all the values to left hand side. This will minus 4x square plus 12x is equals to 0. 4x and minus 4x will be cancelled, and x square minus 24 plus 12 equals to minus 12x. Write 36 as it is. Again you can see that this is a quadratic form. Now we will factorize by break the midterm. This is the combination of minus 6 because minus 6 equals to minus 12 and 6 are 36. So we will write x as, we will take x as common and get x minus 6, and minus 6 as common we will write x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is common, so both values are same and they are multiplying with each other. So we will write this in the form of the square. When we will remove the square by using square root, we will get x minus 6 is equals to 0. So value of x is equals to 6. This is the solution set. Part number 9. X minus a by x plus a minus x plus a by x minus a is equals to 7 by 12. This is also this can be also used or solved by another method that we will put this as y, and this is the reciprocal of this value. It will be 1 by y, and at the end we will re-put the value of y. But there is another simple method that we will multiply all the denominators with each term of this equation, and then we will get 12 into x minus a, because x plus a will be cancelled. X minus a and x minus a is equals to x minus a whole square. And here is also x minus a will be cancelled, and it will becomes x plus a whole square. And here 2 will be cancelled, so write 7 into x plus a, x minus a. And now we will use 3 formulas. 12 a square minus 2ab plus b square, 12 a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. By multiplying all these values, we will remove the brackets and get 12x square minus 24ax plus 12a square minus 12x square minus plus minus 24x minus plus minus 12a square, and then 7x square minus 7a square. Dear students, minus 12a plus 12a will be cancelled, plus 12x square minus 12x square will be cancelled. We will get minus plus 48ax. So we will write all the values to right hand side. We will write this 7x square plus 48ax minus 7a is equal, a square is equal to 0. We will write all the values here. And then this is again the factorized by using the midterm break. 49ax minus ax will becomes 48ax, and 49 ones are 49, like this 7 sevens are 49. So by taking 7x as common, we will get x plus 7a. Here we will take a as common and get x plus 7a, because when we will take minus as common, then we will change the sign of the values which are inside the bracket. X plus 7a are common, so it will becomes x plus 7a into x 7x minus a is equals to 0. Now there are two situations: x plus 7 is equals to 0 or 7x minus a is equals to 0. From this we will get the value of x, which is equals to minus 7a, and from this we will get the value of x, which is equals to a by 7. So this is the solution set.